Right, let's talk about TTL. Now TTL stands for through the lens, and essentially it's a system whereby your camera works with a dedicated TTL remote and your flash system to give you an automatic function. The camera will take a meter reading through the lens from whatever you focus at, wherever you set your focusing points, take a light meter reading and adjust that power output of the flash appropriately. Each camera system needs a dedicated remote. So in the Pro Photo system, we have available Canon, Nikon, Fuji and Sony. And each camera you use needs to have its own dedicated TTL remote or Pro Connect. A popular choice for using the automatic function is the on-camera flash, the A1X or the A10 models. This is essentially an advanced sync remote combined with a flashlight. Right, so there's a limitation with this setup. If you are using multiple flashes, all the flashes in the system will move to the same power setting. In a studio setup such as this, TTL is not going to be your ally. The TTL is best used in a situation where your subject or your lights are moving. I would think more for an event photography, sport photography, these types of things. A pro tip, when you're in TTL mode and the power setting is changing up and down, that will also affect your recycling timing. Pay attention to the beeping sounds from your light so that you're getting correct exposure from your flash. I hope you found this basic explanation of TTL useful. Please see our other tutorials for dedicated settings for each remote.